family. We started with my family. How our family will be? Which type of families we have? We have a small families. We have large families. We have a joint family. Okay, we have a joint family. And in family, we all love each other, care each other. We all help each other because we love them. We love them. Okay, so these are called as the families. Yes, you all have your own family. Yes, we all have our own family which care for us, which help for us, which wait for us. Yes, yes. Okay. We finished our chapter in the last class. We'll move on to exercise today. We'll solve the exercise. Okay. Before we start with a short prayer, children. Okay. All of you, close your eyes. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बू फलसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, okay, children. We all are praying to Lord for our wellness and for our academics. Yes, we all are praying for that. Yes. Okay. Now we'll start with our exercise. Yes. Exercise. Today we will solve the exercise. Which chapter, children? My family. What family? My family. You all have your own families. Yes, you all have your own family. We're together when we say that is a family. When we have a particular ourselves, our family, we call it as a my family. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಂದು, ನನ್ನದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಅಂತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ ಸಾಮಾನ ನನ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಅಂತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ? ನಮ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಅಂತೀರಿ. ನಮ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ನಮ್ದ್ರಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? When we think that they are ours, then we feel it. We can share with them everything. Like that, my family. Okay? We'll start with our exercise, children. Exercises A1. Okay. There are different things that your mother and father do. Circle in red what your mother does. Circle in blue what your father does. Circle in green what both of them do. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 4 ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಶಸ್. Cleaning the what materials which we use for the kitchen. Okay, yes, who do that? Your mother or your father? Who do that? Mother, she does the work. Okay, and next one, homework, helping us to solve the homework, father. And combing your hair, who do? Your mother or father? Think that and write it. Okay. And the next one, playing with you, who do? Your father or mother? Think that and individual answer. Your answer will be the different. You not all the answer will be same. Okay? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ or big family, large family? Which family you have? Large family or a small family? In small family, who all are there? In small family we have mother, father, brother, sister. In small family we have these many. In the large family, who all are there? In the large family we have mother, father. Okay, in the small family we have these all things. These all are. In the large family we have mother, we have father, we have brother, sister, and the smaller one, the young one or a smaller one. Yes, we have these many. Which family is yours? Which family is yours? Think that and write it. Okay, that is also individual one. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಇಬ್ರು ಅಕ್ಕಗಳು ಇದ್ರ large family. If you have only one brother, then write small family. Okay, okay, children. Okay, do that work. Next one, we'll move on to the C part. C part, tick correct the true statement. Tick correct the true statement. Okay? Tick correct the true statement. We'll solve it now. First one, C part, I am writing on the board, children, and I will not send you these all answers. Okay? Only question and answers I will send you. Please, when I am solving on the board, that time only pause your video and copy it. Okay? Okay? That are the silly answers. Tick correct and wrong. That all you know. Just here from here you can copy it. Okay? Okay. Tick correct the true statement. Okay? First one. A small family has 6 or 7 members. A small family . Seven members. How many members are there in the small families? Yes, in small family we have only 4 members. So this is the wrong statement. Second one. A large family has grandparents, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. In large family, we have these all things. These all things we have in the large family. Yes? No, we don't have these all things. We have only what all things are there? A large family have a grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Yes, correct. Third one. Correct. Every person in a family is known as a family member. Known as a family member. Yes. Which all are there in your family that are called as a what? Family members. Yes. True. Okay. True. Now fourth one. Fourth one I am writing up. Here I am writing. Okay. Third one finished. Fourth one I am writing here, children. Don't get confused. Fourth one. A joint family has few members. Wrong. In joint family we have so many members. We have everyone in a joint family. The statement is wrong. Okay. The first one is wrong. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is wrong. Okay. Please copy this and tick the correct and wrong things in there. Okay. Now, shall I rub this? Okay. Next one, D part. Color the correct boxes in yellow. Color the correct boxes with yellow colors. With yellow colors. What we have to do, children? First one, color the correct box. Which is correct now? That you have to color with what? Yellow color. With yellow color you have to color. Okay. The D part. Use your yellow color pencils. Okay. I am doing with a blue color. I don't have that color chalk, so I am coloring with a blue color. Okay. Color the correct boxes in yellow. In which color? Yellow color. First one. Parents with one or two children make a what? Make a joint family or a small family? Which it makes? A small family. So I am writing only answer. You can color that answer. Okay? Small answer. Small family. Second one. A parents with a 3 or more children make a parents with 3 or more children make a what? Make a what? A parents with a 3 or more children make a large family. Make a large. Okay. Third one. All family members. All family members help each other, hate each other. Well, what do you do, children? Hate each other or help each other? Yes, help each other. Help each other. Now we completed the page number 169, children. We completed, yes. Now turn the page number 170. Okay. Please copy this one. Only 3 questions were given. Only three questions are there in that. Now we'll move on to the next page. That is 170. Life skill is there in that. What is that? Life skill. We'll solve it. Only just I'm telling it. Okay. I'm not writing on the board. Please copy these all things. We finished 169 today. We'll move on to the 170. Page number 170. That is life skill. Okay. That is what? Life skill. Life skill. What are the things you do to help and respect your family? What you do to help your family or respect your family? First one. Say yes or no. If you do, say it yes. If you not, say it no. Okay. Polish shoes. If you do, write it yes. No. Write it no. Okay. I will do the polishing. So I am writing yes. Carry shopping bags. You carry the shopping bags when you go to shopping with your family. You help your parents or no? I will do. You will do? Yes. If you do, then yes, say yes. If you not, say no. Okay? Tease and fight your brothers or sister. You tease your father and mother. You hit your brother and sister. If you do that, say yes. If you not, then say no. Listen to your elders. Listen carefully. What she is telling, what he is telling. Okay? After that, react for that. Before only, don't react. Stop talking to someone who is sick. Okay? Stop talking to someone who is sick. ಆರಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾ. Let them to sleep. Okay? These are the life skills. In life we have to use these all things. In life we have to follow these all things. Okay? Okay, children. Now the next one, values for life. Values for